Hi, Michael Dresdner here, and today we're going to show you how to save time and money by using extender and whip tips to dispense only what you need with pinpoint precision, and how to keep your GluBoost bottles clean and free-flowing. The GluBoost cap uses an embedded metal pin that goes down into the nozzle's hole when the cap is screwed on. It seals the tip while keeping it open and free-flowing. The extender tip pops onto the nozzle for accuracy in tight places. The whip tip allows for even more precise location of small amounts of GluBoost. To clear the nozzle, either flick it, tap it, or squeeze the bottle until air flows, making sure you point it away from your face. Then wipe off the nozzle before replacing the cap. If you do get crusty buildup, twist it off the nozzle with pliers, or soak the nozzle or cap in acetone, MEK, or best of all nitromethane to soften and dissolve the old adhesive.